Hey Neil. Okay. So the site looks great, like I said before. Thank you so much for getting it done. At on my timing as well. I like that this is peeking out on the page fold here. Super important. We could actually bring this up a little bit so we can see like just the beginning of the name portion so people can see that it actually is a form submission. What I'm going to talk about though is the content placement. So when I order the content and I get it sent back to me, this is created by a SEO content writer. So it's imperative that the H1 is where the H1 is supposed to be, and the H2 is where the H2 is supposed to be, and so on and so forth. So I understand that you have to fit this into your style, but whatever you do, definitely don't move around the H1 and H2. I know it looks more aesthetically pleasing for it to say the company name right here, but what I would prefer is for the company name to be here, right? I would like for the H1, which is currently down here, to be here, and of course not all in this font, right? Like it needs to be aesthetically pleasing for the location area. So if what can be if it can be just kind of like this, right, but just a little larger, but definitely, bold out that top keyword because that's the number one keyword and that's why we want it in the H1 area. And then we got to figure out what's going to go here. I'm not sure where the rest, oh, there it goes. That's where the rest went. So yeah, so we can put the H2 right where it's supposed to be. So then we can move the H2. We provide the most advanced services. Where do you currently have that? Let me see. Okay, good. No, let me do it this way. We got, all right, H1, and then we got 1 H2, 2 H2s, 3 H2s, 4 H2s, 5 H2s, 6 H2s, and then an H3. All right, do we have it all in there? Okay, so we're gonna put the H1 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so we could definitely add it in, Neil. Let's go ahead and update that. And I tried to do it myself, but I think it would take me a lot longer because you're just better at that than I am. I'm good at selling the stuff, right? So if you can get that updated for me, that would be wonderful. I truly appreciate it. I'm already late with this site, so hopefully you're awake and you're able to get this done. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it.